Hello millionaires! And today I'm going to talk about my strategy, what I'm using every day in my trading for searching buy signals and sell signals, and it's called MA++ or double paired moving averages. It's a trending strategy, and today we're going to talk about positive pyramiding, buy signals, sell signals, and how to use this strategy in general to get more profit from the price movements. So stay tuned and let's go. Let's talk about strategy. I call it paired moving strategy. This is a training strategy and has simple rules for managing risk and capital. So I advise you to study the strategy in more detail and keep it in your portfolio of strategies. The strategy works on all time frames. For this you need to choose the moving average according to your needs or temperament. Do you like aggressive mode or more passive mode? So you need to choose the settings of moving averages. The strategy has clear rules for setting stop loss and lock if you're using a locking strategy, as me, for example. If you don't have time to consistently sit at your computer or constantly get your phone out to monitor the state of the market, then this strategy is right for you. This strategy works on all time frames. I repeat it. Optimal time frame, it's 1 hour. Optimal settings for moving averages for 1 hour time frame. The first pair of moving averages, I name it a slow pair. It's 150 periods for moving average. And the second moving average pairs is like a fast moving average. The periods will be 21 and 12. So let's see what's in our charts and how moving average, paired moving averages will look like. So I have made one template for this strategy. It consists of 2 pairs of moving averages. The quickest one and the lowest one. The quickest and the slowest one. So the slowest one will show the trend direction, and it consists of 2 moving averages with the periods 150. The quickest one shows movement direction or impulse movement direction or impulse direction. It doesn't matter how you name it, but it shows the movement at the moment on the right side of the chart. Set the template on the chart, just click the right side of the mouse and choose template MA++. So the template will be set on the chart. The slowest pair here is green and red. And the quickest pair is blue and dark blue and light blue. Next, what is the simplest rules? First of all, we need to check the slowest pair. Is it crossed or not? In the yellow part, we analyze the situation. First of all, the slowest pair. I see the green line crossed red line from below. Here is the first signal. Now we need to search the same crossing, I mean the crossing upward, with the quickest moving averages. The dark blue need to be below the light blue. So this moment is here. Now What about stop loss and take profit? How to set it? The stop loss setting is very simple. We need to add on the chart another indicator. It's zigzag, and set the depth to 6. We need to set stop loss below the last zigzag. The last zigzag is here, and let's change the color of the stop loss line, so it would be red here, and entry, as I mentioned, would be somewhere here. So, and the take profit would be the 2 times stop loss. Let's calculate how long is our stop loss. It's 12.3. Let's multiply by 2, it's 24 averagely, 24 points. So it is somewhere here on a price 6774. So let's put another line here, 6774. So it would be our take profit. And voila! But as you see, I'm specifically showed you the negative example of a strategy, not only positive like in internet everyone, every trader is doing, shows only positive sides of the strategy. So this is the negative situation, but I want to show you also the positive situation of the strategy. So let's take a look on another example. Now, the second example is here. Just scroll the chart to the right side, and what I want to show you, what is the positive side of this. Now, let's take a look at the chart. I need to find crossing on the slowest pair. Which direction doesn't matter, because if you want to sell, you need to search the slowest pair with the crossing down, and if you want to buy, you need to wait for the signal when the slowest pair, moving average, crossing up. This is our signal. The first signal is here in a yellow box. Now we need to wait until the quickest one, the blue lines, will be crossed in the same direction. So the dark blue line need to be above the light blue line. So this situation and this crossing will happen here. So the crossing is here. That's it. This was the second signal. And now what? We need to set the stop loss and the take profit. As I said, the stop loss need to be above the last zigzag. The last zigzag is here, so stop loss will be set here, and let's color it with the red, like, because it's a stop loss, because it's critical. Entry point will be now, and the take profit will be 2 times stop loss. Calculate the stop loss again. Entry is here until stop loss at 13 points. As I said already, the stop loss in this strategy is very, very tight. So 2 times 13, it's 26 points. It will be with price 6684. Let's set the take profit line also. It will be something here. Okay. Here. Now, that's it. And you get the take profit. That's so simple. But do you know what is a pyramiding is? Positive pyramiding, not martingale. If you don't know, I show you on that chart, on that example. So positive pyramiding is like you open order hour after another order and don't close the first order that you opened on the by a signal with the strategy. In this situation, if you want to do pyramiding, so you don't need to set the take profit. You just leave the take profit as 0 and waiting for another signal in the same direction with the slowest pair. So I'm waiting for another cross with the quickest pair on the chart. The second crossing with the quickest pair is right here. Again, the stop loss will be above the last zigzag. Let's color it again with red. So stop loss, it's 33 points multiplied by 2. It's a very good risk reward ratio, and this will be 66 points, like somewhere here below this zigzag. So let's put another take profit here, and you can actually close both orders. You can continue with pyramiding, and trend continues because the slowest pair show you that the trend continues, and the height between the red line and green line is growing. And the last one, what I want to say for you, that I have made a helper. You can find it on the market. Then you open the MetaTrader, go to the moving market tab, and on the search box just type double paired, and you will find my expert advisor. You could download a demo. Let's do it. And to check how it works on a tester, you can set the settings for a quickest pair of moving averages and for slowest moving average pairs and other settings. Also, you can set the notification what will be sent by email or push notification to your phone, or just alerting on a computer screen. So just set the true or false here in the notification part. Just start the digital mode. Expert advisor will find the parts and open the orders. And that's how it's work. All the templates and links to the expert advisor will be down below. Detailed description of this strategy will be found on my website. So the link will be also down below this video. And I wish you profit. So see you in the next video.